Hello, Gems. My name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe. I talk about femininity, personal development, and mindset. And if you're already part of the amazing tribe, welcome back. Ladies, today we are talking about something so serious. And our topic for today is navigating the quarter life crisis. If you've never heard of this, it is somehow like the midlife crisis, but it happens to people in their 20s and almost sometimes 30s. So if this is something you want to know about, maybe you're in this, or you'll probably be in it, or you've probably been out of it, whichever bracket you fall into, then grab something to drink, get comfortable, get something to write with, and let's talk about this. If you've ever asked yourself, what am I doing with my life while you're still in your 20s, then you've probably been or are going through the quarter life crisis. Forbes describes this as a time of deep soul searching and uncertainty. You want to know who you are and what you value. And again, this happens in your 20s. So the stages of this is you feeling trapped, then you separate yourself from people. Once you separate yourself from people and other things that you used to do, you start reflecting. And then once you're done reflecting, you get to understand where you are at. Okay, so it's a process. And if you want to know like signs that you're in the quarter life crisis, you worry your peers have it all figured out, you can lack motivation, you struggle to figure out what is missing, you're itching for change, you want social isolation. That's just to mention but a few. And also there are triggers. So those are just the signs, but there are also triggers that can put you into the quarter life crisis. And we have triggers like job loss. You've probably gotten into a very serious relationship commitment like marriage, or you've gone through a breakup, you've moved to a new place, or you're living alone for the first time, or you're financially unstable. Financial instability. So those are some of the triggers, just some. There could be others, but I'm just gonna tell you, maybe you in any of this. So how do you navigate the quarter life crisis? I feel like sometimes I feel like I'm not there yet, and other times I feel like I'm going through it because I've been really reflecting and I've been really isolating myself. So I guess I'm there. I am there. Okay. So why I feel like I am not there is because I've done this thing that I'm going to share with you because it's helping me get out of it. And the first thing is growing your intimacy with God. So listen, God formed you, God created you, so he knows you best. When God wanted to create fish, he talked to the sea and the fish were made. When God wanted to create human beings, he talked to himself. He formed a committee with Jesus and the Holy Spirit and let us make man in our own image. So he knows you. And how you can grow intimate with God is through things like fasting, spiritual disciplines like praying and serving, and even having quiet time. It's not really a spiritual discipline, but it's something really important. Then also just the next thing is working on your mental and physical health. Listen, the two work together. If you have poor mental health, it will reflect on your body. I was stressing a lot last year at a time like this, and I developed awful acne. Somebody who naturally has clear skin got acne, which was so weird. And so when you have a poor physical health, it will also affect you mentally as well. So what you need to do as you navigate the quarter life crisis is therapy, eating well as well. You need to eat good food. You need to eat well. That is one thing I also had to learn. Eating well, it affects your body, it affects your mental health, as well as reading is very good. It helps you be knowledgeable, it helps you understand more things, it expands your brain capacity as well. So those are just two of the main things that I feel can help you navigate the quarter life crisis. But also another really important thing to help you navigate the quarter life crisis is be patient and kind with yourself. During this time, you can beat yourself really hard because you're like, oh my goodness, there's a lot of comparison at this stage. So you can beat yourself really hard, and the enemy can use this to his advantage to just pull you away from God. Understand that this is a process, and it can take a really long time for others to get out of it, and for others it's going to take a short time. Then we go to something that I think is the aha moment of navigating the quarter life crisis. The thing is, I'm just going to say it, the mindset shift. You need to understand how to approach the quarter life crisis. Thing is, it's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. It is actually a really good thing. Because understand that in your 20s, nothing is holding you back. The society doesn't judge you the way it's going to when you're in your 30s or your 40s. I mean, if you choose not to have a baby now, nobody's going to go like, oh my goodness, she doesn't have a baby now. No, if you choose to quit 3 jobs, nobody will go like, oh my goodness, she quit 3 jobs. Darling, society treats 20s as an experimental stage. And we live in a society where people want you to know what you want to do before knowing who you are. Instead, you're supposed to know who you are, know your values, know what you value, so that you can be able to know what you want to do with your life. And the society got it twisted and backwards. So in your 20s, nothing is holding you back. So what you can do with as you navigate through this quarter life crisis, the mindset shift you have to have is that first, the second thing is use it as a catalyst. Use this moment as a catalyst to get things done. Try this and try that and try that. You've been wanting to travel at this moment. You've been wanting to try something new. Try those new things, as many as you can. It also reveals what is important to you. You'll realize probably your family is a priority. You'll realize that being happy for you is a priority. You'll realize that having the right type of people around you is a priority, etc. As well as this is something that, oh my goodness, my dad is talking really loud. Sorry, I'm gonna pause this. So it's a springboard, and so how a spring, you go down, then once you release, you go up. That's the thing with the quarter life crisis. You're gonna hit rock bottom at this moment. You're probably gonna sell stuff, you're gonna quit your job, you're gonna leave your friends, you're gonna be all alone. And then once you're really done reflecting, done doing the inner work, doing all those things that happen, you're just gonna go up, because now you're a woman who knows where she's going, knows what she wants, knows what she values, knows who she is. Another thing that I just love about this is it strengthens your values. I'm telling you, I know right now that I really value integrity. I value honesty as well. If somebody is a person of the word, I will also value that as well. And I only learned this through that process where I'm telling you, I was down. I don't even remember having enough friends. I stripped myself of all friends, and I just wanted to be surrounded with people who reflect who I am. Get a sister? So that's just a bit about navigating the quarter life crisis. If you want me to talk more about it, if you have any questions, let me know on the comments. And if you loved this video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.